how to set a time limit for interaction control on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, I'm going to get out of the interaction control and then tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then open up an app that you would like to use with interaction control. Here I'm going to press on the shortcut keys, the side button and the volume up buttons. From the shortcut menu, I will open up interaction control. Then tap on options. So before you start the interaction control, tap on options. Then tap on time limit. In here, set a time limit. So I set it for 10 minutes and then tap on done. And then tap on the back key. Then tap on done and you will be able to start your interaction control with a 10-minute timer. And that's it. Here I'm going to switch it off. And that is how you can set a time limit for interaction control. Now if you do not have the interaction control activated, you can do so from the settings menu. So swipe down at the top, then go into settings. In settings, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility, then tap on interaction and dexterity. Next, tap on interaction control, then tap on interaction control shortcut. Make sure you turn on the shortcut and then tap on turn on. Tap on the left hand side panel. In here, you can choose which shortcut to use. And that's it. Once you have turned on the shortcut, you can start interaction control. So I've used a shortcut on the side here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.